Hello and welcome to WashingtonExec's video series. I'm Ziadeh with WashingtonExec, and with me today is Sandeep Shilawat, Vice President of Cloud and Edge Computing at ManTech. Thank you so much for joining me, Sandeep.
Thank you, Amanda. Good morning to you.
Good morning. So, Sandeep, you're an expert in cloud and cloud strategy. Cloud is driving innovation in government IT, and hybrid cloud environments and multi-cloud integration are big trends in cloud computing right now. So, I want to start by asking about cloud complexity. What is the problem with multi-cloud cloud integration, and how big is the problem?
When we began adopting cloud computing last decade in federal cloud computing industry, this was done to simplify the problem and eliminate the technical debt. Now we observe that every agency has around 5 to 7 cloud vendors adopted and hundreds of cloud accounts. And typically every problem breaks down to people, process, and technology. We have lack of skills, undefined processes, and maturing technologies. What it has given rise to is a problem of invisibility. You have multi-cloud complexity, which leads to very complex architectures, operational complexity, data security, and interoperability issues. And this problem is kind of growing on itself, and we need to take care of it as soon as possible.
So, how can this problem be fixed?
You need trusted partners who have done this work before. Company like ManTech has frameworks like LaunchRamp, which allows them to integrate different cloud vendors without locking in. Their experience across the federal industry is helping you to solve this problem. Problem is with visibility. If you don't know what you have, you would not be able to manage. And invisibility is leading to complexity, security issues. Securing the future is ManTech's tagline, and we make sure that customers adopt the cloud and multi-cloud environments in a very secure fashion. We have defined processes, standard technologies, and partnerships across the industry on vendors, which allows us to take care of this issue in a very customized manner for our partners. We know our customers, and we have a very good understanding of these technologies over the last decade.
So, what about security? We know security is of utmost importance in the federal IT environment. How can we secure the cloud to prevent future hacks?
So let's take the state of industry today. Here's where we are. Every cloud account is equivalent to a data center, and every agency has hundreds of these cloud accounts. Security is essence of every asset that IT has, and cloud is no different. One has to be careful while adopting and partnering cloud. ManTech has hundreds and hundreds of cloud certified professionals, well-defined processes, and secure architectures that will allow you to adopt cloud in a very secure fashion.
Right. So I want to talk a bit beyond cloud about edge computing, 5G, and IoT. Is it time for government agencies to begin devoting serious time and energy to the future and looking to these next hot technologies?
For me, cloud and edge computing are sides of the same coin. One of the reports states that there will be 175 zettabytes of data that will be created at the edge with these devices. Physics does not allow you to transport that data over the wire back to cloud. Not all data belongs in cloud for variety of reasons. You have billions of IoT devices, 5G technology that is taken hold, and our adversaries are a little ahead of us in this technology. Now, if we are not paying attention to these technologies, we might be find ourselves wanting, like we found ourselves in cloud and 5G. There are going to be billions of IoT devices and smart devices. So it's about time that we get hold of this technology and stay ahead of the curve in this case.
Right, makes sense. Well, thank you so much for joining me again, Sandeep, and sharing these insights on cloud and multi-cloud integration. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you, Amanda. Glad to be here.